since its rebirth and world. If you all believe in it, what do you think you three were in your past lives?
I know what I want
कभी
to be
सोचा
in
है?
my next life. मैंने सोचा
हाँ,
है, I know what I want to be.
Wow.
I want to be a great white shark.
Well, lovely to see you all. So I've seen Cargo, and what fascinated me was 2027 is not too far away. Do you think that we may just experience this reality anytime soon?
So, so Cargo is essentially a parallel world. So I would guess that it's already happening, you know. I think we had a lovely comment on the YouTube trailer yesterday where someone said, what if this actually happens? And there was an additional comment, it's so amazing to die and be received by Vikrant Massey, like, you know. So maybe it is happening parallel world already, like, you know. So, yeah. So essentially
And on that note, I would agree.
Yeah.
I would agree, you know, if there's Vikrant Massey who's receiving you in the post-death traumatic service, even I'll say, chalo, ye memories erase kar do, ye mujhe dal do. So Vikrant, what were your reasons to say yes? And there's also Shweta here with us. He's blushing away.
Initially, the first thing that really caught my attention was when Tripathi ji came up to me and she told me that there's a film called Cargo, and I think I'll be doing it, and it's wonderful. It's something like we've never heard before, and we were shooting for something together at that time, and I met Aarti, and in the minutes when I met her, when I saw her, I saw, you know, she went about is like, and I was like, okay, wait, you really don't need to go all out. I'm already in, and that, you know, the journey is continuing, and here we are today, and the film is out in the day. Excited.
And Shweta, what were your reasons to come on board? You have an interesting character as well. Somebody so obsessed with social media कि उस जगह भी social media पे सब कुछ डालना है कि ये हो रहा है.
I think wherever humans की तरह जो लोग होते हैं, I've realized that the feelings, emotions are the same. तो चाहे आप पृथ्वी पे हो या फिर आप spaceship में हो, there are a lot of things that connect us. And what Vikrant said, I just want to say that we were looking for a Prahasta or Cargo, and sometimes for me, co-actor is very, very, very important. So there were lots of names जिनकी बात Vikrant at that point सबने सोचा था कि नहीं कैसे, you know, how to get Vikrant तो शायद he'll be too busy, वो करेगा नहीं. And I remember I messaged him saying that, listen, there is a film, and he asked me, are you doing it? I am doing it. And then he came for the meeting, and I was very confident that he would like it, because the way Aarti thinks, the way वो जो lens जिससे Aarti दुनिया देखती है और अपनी कहानियां देखती है, it's very different. And I have not met a single person in my life who sees and tells stories the way she does. So I was very shocked, because एक वो responsibility होती है that when you're taking a project to somebody and you're asking that someone to come on board, so you yourself have to be very confident, which with Aarti I think I'll always be, and I can't thank my stars enough that I'm just so happy, because the team and the love जिससे Cargo बनी है वो I'm sure आप लोग को movie में भी दिखता है.
And also, we haven't seen this kind of a genre in Indian cinema. I mean, OTT space mein now we'll start seeing a lot more in India. But abroad, we do see a lot more, because India mein to space and everything is in music videos. Everywhere wearing those silver space suits and everything. So did you all, three of you, feel that this would be accepted by people, or were you a little skeptical?
Aarti? So I think when we were making this film, we were making it with a lot of honesty and a lot of pure love. And I think at the same time, we were discovering how to do it, make a science fiction film from India. So that discovery, we were really consumed by doing it like in a very authentic way for India. And I think I was also discovering these wonderful, talented people like Vikrant and Shweta. And I think वो हमारा वो जो connection बहुत ही strong था. So when we were making it, like we never wondered if people will receive it or not. We were just doing it so honestly. And for me, I think like I have a lot of even making videos right now where Vikrant and Shweta, they've owned the spaceship. Like in fact, like where he knows which knob is for,
what purpose. And him understanding that his conviction in the story is all I needed to make the story believable. Like, both Vikrant and Shweta, they really believed in it. And that's all was my goal, like, at that point, because they are the ones who are carrying this world. Like, their belief in it is the most important thing. So I felt that उस समय हमने worry नहीं किया और बहुत ही प्यार से बनाया. मतलब we तो really wanted to give joy to people. Like, ये करेंगे तो लोगों को मजा आएगा. Actually, it was like that. So we genuinely made with that sentiment. Like, yeah.
And coming to Vikrant and Shweta, the same question. And other than, what did you find interesting about your characters, both of you?
So the lovely thing about, so as an actor, I never thought कि मैं science fiction करूँगी, क्योंकि I didn't think कि वो option है. Yes, we dream and we dream big. लेकिन वो जब सोचना स्टार्ट किया था तो वही वो येलो खेतों में येलो दुपट्टे के साथ was the first thought, and I'm just so grateful that now I am wearing a yellow space suit, and I just feel that is way cooler.
खेतों से space में.
Yeah. So वही है कि and what I love about Cargo is that जो detailing है ना, चाहे वो costume में हो चाहे props में हो, आप देखेंगे, आपने you've seen the film, तो जिस तरह से जो खाना है, I think it's very simple. And what I really liked about the script was कि एक 8 साल का बच्चा भी देख सकता है and एक 80 साल का इंसान भी देख सकता है, and they will take in whatever they want from the film. And just मतलब how many times do you get to live in outer space? And in fact हमने जो there were these moments जब मैं विंडो के पास बैठी, युविष्का विंडो के पास बैठी हुई है and she एक कॉमेट आता है, and I actually imagined that, and it felt so wonderful and so satisfying because none of my characters, they'll ever get to experience what Yuvishka did.
True.
And also
True.
what was very interesting was कि जैसे कहानी में था कि प्रहस्ता is in the spaceship before Yuvishka, तो हमारा जो shoot start हुआ था, तो shoot भी पहले विक्रांत के साथ start हुआ था, and I was not in the country तब, and I was feeling damn itchy कि ये क्यों है पहले, and मुझे भी जाना है, I want to be there on the first day of shoot. So I think when I came on set, तो वो एकदम युविष्का वाली एनर्जी के साथ था कि आप तो यहाँ पे बहुत दिनों से बहुत टाइम से हैं, लेकिन अब मेरा नंबर भी आ गया है.
True. And also, Aarti and Shweta, if your reel became real, now Aarti's directed it, so this ideally is more for Shweta. If your reel became real, which of the following movies would you want to be your reality? Gravity, Apollo 13, Interstellar, yeah, The Martian.
Oh my God, wow. I think Interstellar and Gravity.
And also, Aarti, do you, how does it benefit a movie to premiere at a film festival? Because this premiered at Mami first.
Yeah, so actually we had Indian premiere at Mami, and we went to around 25 film festival around the world.
Yes,
Yeah. So I think for me, Mami was a good testing ground because we were trying to make a film that is a little bit in cutting edge in narrative in terms of that. And, that was the first time we were testing waters, and we were testing in a space where people are open to newer ideas. So and for us, it was nice to get a reaction from those set of people. So I think it was a very nice experience. Plus, I think every feedback, every person who watches the film gives us something to take away, something for us to learn and grow. So I think that way I really like. I overall like the energy of all film festivals because, people who over there are passionate about films and, about what you're trying to say. They also try to, they really take films very seriously. It's not something they're seeing on the side while they're doing their main work. So they're really immersed in that experience. And that's why I like that. I think for me, and also the international festivals really help because, basically India in general in science fiction, even though we have such a rich mythology, and we have such interesting folk tales, as far as science fiction or fantasy stories are concerned, we have never been able to make a mark internationally. So, and we were very conscious that when we are making a film, it should be science fiction because we love science fiction, but it should also be truly Indian because we are adding that to the conversation when we go outside India. And that's what a lot of international film festivals, they really found something so unique because the Rakshas is something that is so common to us. They were like, what is this? What are you talking about? So it was nice to culturally export ourselves and see that being received with so much, enthusiasm. So I thought that was beautiful for us. Yeah.
True. And the Rakshas, the one who's saying the Rakshas is back. So Vikrant, tell us about it. What was it about your character that you were fascinated with?
Can you hear me firstly?
Yeah, we can hear you. थोड़ा सा freeze हो जाता है, but we can.
Yeah.
इस सही में
Yeah.
space
Sorry.
में.
Sorry. Yeah. This is actually a weird space. Yeah. So can you please, sorry, can you go again with the question? I just wanted to check if you know my
Yeah,
audience.
it's basically the unique or interesting thing about your character, and also doing a sci-fi. It's also your first sci-fi film as such.
Yeah, like as I said, I'll take it off from there on. You know, I'd never read something like this. I'd never heard something like this. You know, the sheer audacity of let alone thinking of putting something like this on script was so, someone so confident like Aarti. You know, it really blew my mind, and I was like, okay, if at all we manage to pull it off, it'll be very unique. And to play a character like Prahasta, because somewhere down the line I am also, comparatively introvertish, but to end up saying things that that the way she writes it down, through her characters and through her story, to say profound things or things that you really, they really call for your second attention. It's beautiful. It's a great quality. Very seldom do you find someone being able to put any philosophy or any thought into a script or into a narrative so seamlessly. That's something that really yeah. And to play Prahasta, who's a demon who actually, and one thing that really caught my attention in the first initial days was, हमारे मन में already एक ऐसा perspective बना हुआ है ना demons को लेके, राक्षसों को लेके, because of our folklore and because of the mythology that we've been reading as children for years. So she told me, he is not going to be scary. He's going to be as human as a human could be. But yet he's a Rakshas, and he's someone who's been up in space for like the longest time. जैसे आपने देखा होगा ट्रेलर में, एक युग बीत गया है नीचे, इतने किसी को दिखे नहीं हो. And it's the old versus the new thought, like what Shweta's character you were talking about. You pinpointed that she's doing live sessions up from there, and he's someone who's not accustomed to it. It's something that breaks his mindset or is against his own discipline or routine which he's set for years. And it's the little conflicts and the philosophy behind those little conflicts, which are so I hope people find it too.
It is intriguing, and I'd ask Shweta this question. I'm going to ask you, if your reel became real, which one of the following movies would you want to be your reality? Vikrant, Interstellar, Gravity, Apollo, or the Martian?
I would say The Martian. I would love to explore that. Yeah, because I enjoyed that film. Yeah, that's the thing.
And hypothetically, to the two of you, if you really worked in a post-death transition service in space, who would you pick to stay there and work with?
Oh my God.
I couldn't follow that. I'm extremely sorry.
No, I said if hypothetically you really worked in a post-death transition service in space, who would you pick to stay there and work with?
Pick to stay there and work with?
Yeah.
The answer is easy, Aarti. She'll feel at home. She'll feel at home, and she'll make every frame look stunning. She's going to write incredible stories up there as well. That's going to be a home ground.
Exactly. I think Aarti and Mr. Nolan, it would be a great combination, because then with Mr. Nolan and Mrs. Kadam, we will have these great stories, and हम बस वहाँ पे shoot करते रहेंगे, और क्या चाहिए life में.
Sahi mein. And on that note, to both of you, my last question. One thing common between Vikrant and Shweta both is that you're fabulous artists, but also pick up new roles, whether they're fun or inspiring. So Shweta is from Masan to Cargo, Vikrant from Lutere to Chapak. So how do you pick these roles? What's your method, both of you?
Shweta ji, go ahead.
Actually, I'm a very simple person. I like that my character should be layered and deep. So my process is extremely simple, that will I enjoy it as an audience? Does this excite me? When I have to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and if I have to shoot for 16 hours, 17 hours, will I have the drive to do that? So if a script gives me all of that, then the answer is yes. Also, the few most important things for me is definitely the script, also the cast and crew. which is why I fight for casting in whichever project I'm a part of, because I believe a lot in energies and vibes. And I think if you work with people who are as passionate as you are, it just makes the project better.
Ikra.
With me, I think a lot initially begins with gut. As an individual, there are so many things I want to say, and there are so many things I feel very strongly. And if there are things, especially with scripts, that sort of resonate with me as a person and within me individually, I love associating my those parts. I always said this, and I still say this. I'm lucky because my concepts are my priority, but I end up work credible people. That's one thing that I don't go out looking for, but God has blessed me with it. Whatever collaborations I've had have been very fruitful. I've befriended a lot of people, and it's been good so far. So that's how it is. I want to resonate with my audiences, and so far it's been good. Let's see how far I can pull this off.
And well, thank you so much for giving us Cargo and Jaate Jaate, since it's rebirth and world. If you all believe in it, what do you think you three were in your past lives?
I know what I want to be in my next life. मैंने सोचा I know what I want to be.
Wow.
I want to be a great white shark.
And why?
Great whites. I am obsessed. I don't know. I'm just obsessed with the deep, cold seas, unknown, unexplored territory. As to just their fearlessness is so intriguing.
Just instinctively when she asked that question, I thought in my past life I was probably a sea animal. That's what even I thought. So maybe we were all some birth connected,
somewhere.
Yeah. So for the love.
What about you, Shweta? आप कैप्टन होगी शिप के अगर ये sea animals थे दोनों.
So I love the beach. I'm a certified scuba diver. But the first thing that came to my mind was that I think I was a monkey. And just wild and free and exploring, and because there is monkey for sure.
Anyways, thank you so much. I really think a Manushya Rakshas treaty has been signed. It's in a parallel universe. यहाँ की भी reality हो जाएगी. Dystopia is reality. Don't you all agree?
Tricky,
but thank you so much, Pooja. This was really so much fun, this interview. It didn't feel like, just question and answers. It's always so nice to be so involved. So thank you so much for that.
Interacting with you, yeah.
Thank you so much. Always a pleasure meeting you all, yeah. All the very best. Hoping for Cargo Part 2. Want to see where does the treaty go. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. All the very best. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Bye.